Hey guys, this is Chris with Flat 6 Motorsports, and today I'm going to be showing you how to safely jack up your Porsche. Now, if you've jacked up your 911, Cayman, Boxster, or Porsche sports car before, you've probably noticed the jack points underneath the car. They look like little donuts and they have a little hole inside of them that's oval shaped. Now that is there for a reason, and I'll tell you why. So once you've located the jack pad underneath your car, you probably notice that it is reinforced, it is shaped like a donut, and it might be safe to put a jack under there, but you risk the jack slipping out possibly, or you could be damaging that jack point by bending it, depending on if you're not using the correct adapter or not. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Powerflex Porsche jack pad adapter on our 911 here, and that way we'll safely be able to lift this car up using a hand jack. So here's the box that our jack pad adapter comes in. It's a pretty simple little trinket here. It's made out of machined aluminum as well as a rubber cap on the top and the bottom. So that way it has a soft mating surface to your car, but it is stable and it's not gonna crumple in on itself. You can see that the jack pad adapter has a specific male fitting that is oval shaped, and it's gonna fit into your jacking point under your Porsche. And then when you twist it 90 degrees, it's gonna stay in that jacking point, so you don't have to worry about it slipping out while you go get your jack. So let's test this and put it under our car now, and then jack it up and show you guys how it works. So the first thing that we're gonna do is insert our jack pad adapter into the factory lift point. Then we're gonna rotate it 90 degrees like we previously mentioned. And now you can go ahead and slip your jack underneath the car. Make sure that you've got it 100% aligned when you start lifting up the jack for the first couple pumps. And then once your Powerflex adapter is touching your jack, you can go ahead and lift your car all the way up to the sky. So once you're done jacking up your car, don't forget to remove this adapter because you don't want to drive off with it underneath the car. I recommend that any Porsche enthusiast grab one of these, throw in their toolbox, because it's going to make it safer and softer on the car next time that you have to jack it up. If you enjoyed today's video, let us know down in the comments below or drop a like. And remember, if you like videos like this one, subscribe to us at flat6motorsports.com.